Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this ceiling fan and light. As you can see, I have it going right now. The thing I like is that the fan rotates around as it also spins, so it gets the entire room cool, or just stay stationary if you want to just point it in one direction. You can switch between temperatures. This one instantly switches, so that switched to the completely yellow, then it's got kind of a mix right there, and then completely white. And then you can also adjust the brightness. So I can turn that down all the way, and you can kind of play with that accordingly. It's also got timer modes. So first things first, I have put this bracket up here. As you can see, super tight. I actually just used the screws that were already in the ceiling. I pulled out all the wires through there. I just had to go ahead and connect the black wire to the black, the white wire to the white, connect the ground wire from the bracket and the fan to the one that was in the ceiling. And then you basically just slide this thing up, lock it into place. It's got 4 of those screws surrounding. So there's a look at the fan spinning around. As you can see, it shifts directions. I've got a decently large room right here, and it cools off the entire space with ease. Here is a look at the remote control on the wall. So as you can see, just had to simply screw in those 2 screws, and it slides in nice and easily like so. Here's a look at the app, and you can control the entire fan and light straight from the app as well. So I can adjust the brightness, adjust the fan speed, and you can hear that audio feedback from the fan. You can do everything straight from your app. Super convenient and very nice app. Here is a look at the user manuals. You've got one for the fan, one for the remote control. Super easy to read, and they have diagrams and pictures to help you set it up. So overall, highly recommend this. Thanks for watching.